The day that my daughter literally volunteered to not play her final season of competitive softball was a major wake-up call for me. She had literally been playing all season without health insurance, and she knew that we were stressed about having to pay for the next season. So she volunteered to not play. And that just broke my heart because not only were we, putting ourselves at risk by letting her play without any kind of health insurance, what we would have done had she gotten hurt. I mean, obviously we would have found a way, probably borrowed money or put it on credit card, but those things can be expensive, right? And competitive softball is expensive as hell too. My husband had lost his job because of a work-related injury, and he can no longer work. So we were scrambling, trying to just figure things out. And my daughter knew that, she knew we were struggling. And it's just not something that your children should have to worry about. And the fact that she was compassionate and kind enough to even volunteer that just shows me that we've raised her right, but she should never have had to even volunteer it. She never should have. We should have had some kind of backup plan, something for our family's future, but we didn't. It really puts a lot of things into perspective for me. This makes me so happy now, knowing that I have a plan and a way and a backup plan for my family, so nothing like this will ever happen to us again. Not saying that life won't ever happen again, but we will never be in the same situation financially because we have a backup plan. I think that sometimes when we're going through difficult situations and just life things, sometimes we don't think super rationally, unfortunately. And I learned that it's okay to make mistakes. My daughter did make it safely through her season, and she finished her final season. I'm just so happy now that we have a plan, and that I will never ever have to put our family in that situation again. We're still trying to figure out the whole where we want to live and house situation, because we're still living in the RV, but I know for a fact that we will never ever 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 go without health insurance ever again. It's just not worth the risk.